Wow, toys! Oh,
All right, Ryan, stay close now, okay?
okay, Dad.
That's a good boy.
Perfect, these look great.
Look at those over there, Ma.
Oh, those are lovely too.
Can we go to the toy aisle first, Dad?
Let's go ahead and pick up the toys now.
Okay, all clear. Let's see what they have this time. Wow, a giant robot! Look at that! Oh no! Mom! Dad, where are you? Hello? Mom? Dad? Is anyone here? Where did everyone go? Mom! Mom! Mom? Where are you? Mom! Dad always said, "Don't give up. Be brave."
Excuse me? Oh, thank goodness! Sir, can you help me?
Hey, Ryan, how are you? Didn't expect to see you here.
No, thank you. I'm just looking. Sorry, I need to find my mom.
Excuse me, are you a store employee? Yes, how can I help you? Ryan, honey. Ryan?
Ryan?
Ryan? Where are you? Ryan?
Where are you? Oh. Sarah, hey, where did you go?
Ryan! 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 Where are you? Ryan?
I saw him put something in his bag. You need to call security. Copy that.
Security, I have a theft in aisle 7. Quick response needed.
Almost there. Finally. Oh no. It's all gone. What am I gonna do?
Attention shoppers. Could the parents of a lost boy named Ryan please come to the customer service desk?
Ryan? Ryan? Would Ryan please come to the customer service desk? Ryan? Are you here? Ryan? Ryan!
I'm over here.
Ryan? Ryan, where are you?
I've got to find a security guard. That's the rule. I think I see him. Near customer service. Affirmative. Keep your distance, Ryan.
Ryan, hey there.
Hi, Mr. Officer. Could you help me find something? Excuse me, sir. I can't find my mom and dad.
It's okay, little guy. We'll find them for you. Just stay with me.
Uh-huh.
Don't worry, Ryan. I'm here to help. What's wrong? Attention, staff. This is Officer Miller. I have a lost boy, Ryan, at customer service. Please contact his parents, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson.
Thank you.
Almost there. Ryan's over by customer service. Quick! Ryan! I'm coming, buddy. I'm coming, Ryan.
Coming out!
Ryan, I hear you. Hold on, I'm almost there.
Dad? I'm here. Mom? Dad? I found you. Dad. Oh, Ryan. We were so worried. I knew you'd find me. We'll never let go. You found me. I did. I'm so glad to see you. Oh, Ryan, I was so worried. I'm here now, Sarah. It's gonna be okay.
I knew you could do it, Ryan. That was a great choice.
Thanks, David.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
Thank you so much, Daniel.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day. Hi, Ryan.
Hi, David.
I'm gonna teach you the first supermarket safety rule. Keep a safe distance from others and always wear your mask. Also, remember to wash your hands after touching anything. Keep these 3 safety points in mind. If you need any assistance, our team over there is ready to help.
You've been doing so well. Just remember those rules we talked about, okay? Don't worry, Mom. I promise I will. That's my big boy.